Today, I am going to tell you all how to build sunburst chart in Tableau. First of all, let's see how a sunburst chart look like. For that, go to your Google Chrome and search sunburst chart in Tableau. This is how a sunburst chart look like. A sunburst chart consists of two pie charts on top of each other. Their inner one, the smaller one, is the category chart, whereas the bigger one is the subcategory pie chart. So let's start from scratch. So let's jump into Tableau. Today I am going to use sample superstore dataset, and it is containing, these are the fields which are contained in that. For sunburst chart, I have to make a calculated field name, position. In the value I have give Makepoint 0, 0. It is showing that the calculation is valid, so I will apply and OK. I will double click on the position and a map will replicate. Make pie in the marks card and add sales to angle and category to colors. Now add position to the marks layer. Here is the marks layer. A new marks card will appear. Make it pie and rename the marks card as category. No, this one should be subcategory. And this one should be category. And in this I have to add something to angles, so sales to angle. And I have to add category also. I have to add the category to color. But if I will add category directly to color, nothing, all the shit will happen. So I will remove this step and I will add the category to detail, and then I will change it to color, and I will drag this category above subcategory, and I will drag category marks card above the subcategory marks card. Now this pie, I want to enlarge this pie chart, so I will click Control Shift B. Control Shift B. I will go on pressing that Control Shift B unless I encountered a good pie chart. I think so it is now a good pie chart. Now change the size of the two pie charts. First the category here, and the subcategory should be little big. It's very big, but I need to enlarge it. and the category also. Now make the category chart bigger and the subcategory pie more bigger. I have done that. Now add the white spaces in the chart to look at the beautiful. So I will drag position to the marks card, and here it will be, I will rename it as blank, and I will change it to circle and the color as white. Now it's looking good. Increase the size a little bit more. Yes, now it's good. Now I will take sales to label, but it is not showing in the white space, so I will align it. Alignment: horizontal in the center, vertical in the center. Now it's looking good, but I have to increase the font a little bit, so I will increase it up to 14. Then I will add the borders. So for that, take the position to marks card and say it as blank circle. Change it to not a square, it's circle, and take this in between category and subcategory. Looking good, but I have to change the color. So the white spaces are looking amazing, and that is making the sunburst chart most beautiful. But something is missing, as I have to add some borders to them also. Category, color, borders, white. Subcategory, size not color, border and white. Now it's looking nice. I will rename it as sunburst chart. Thank you for your patience listening. See you in the next video. In order to make sure you don't miss my future videos, hit subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified, and lastly, please share this video with others. It's a great way to support my channel and the work I do.